In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new bank account in Zoho Books, a crucial skill for managing your business finances efficiently. Whether you're just getting started with Zoho Books or looking to streamline your banking processes, this step-by-step guide will walk you through each stage clearly and comprehensively. First, let's begin by navigating to the dashboard of Zoho Books. This is your command center, where you can have an overview of your financial health and activities. From the dashboard, locate and click on the Banking section. This section is the hub for managing all of your banking activities within Zoho Books and is where you'll initiate the process of adding a new account. Moving forward, you'll see the option to Add Bank or Credit Card. Click on this to proceed. A prompt will appear where you need to focus on the option that says Add Bank or Credit Card Account manually. This is an essential step if your bank does not support direct feeds or if you prefer to input your account details manually. Once you've chosen to add the account manually, you'll be directed to a new page. On this page, you should click on Add Account to begin the process of entering the necessary details for your new bank account. Next, you'll need to select the account type. This step is crucial as it categorizes your bank account correctly within Zoho Books, ensuring your transactions are recorded accurately. After selecting the appropriate account type, proceed to enter the account name. Be descriptive yet concise here, as this will help you easily identify the account in the future. Following this, it's time to type in the account code. This is an optional but useful feature for those who want to track accounts with specific codes. After entering the account code, choose the currency in which this account operates. Selecting the correct currency is vital, especially for businesses dealing with multiple currencies to ensure accurate financial reporting. Now, type in the account number. Enter this information carefully as accuracy is crucial for successful account setup. Follow this by entering the bank name, which is straightforward but necessary for proper account identification. Next, input the bank identifier code, often known as BIC or SWIFT code. This code helps in identifying banks during international transactions. If you have additional notes or information about this account, enter them in the description field. Adding a description is optional, but can be helpful for providing further context. If this account will be your primary account for transactions, check the Make this primary box. This setting is useful for defaulting your primary account for financial actions within Zoho Books. Finally, review all the information you've entered. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, click on Save to add your new bank account. Zoho Books will now integrate this account into your financial setup, allowing you to manage your business finances with greater efficiency and ease. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new bank account in Zoho Books. This structured approach not only optimizes your accounting processes, but also ensures you have detailed records for future financial tracking and reporting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.